Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing another unit today for a customer here, and he's getting a brand new installation. So he is getting, there is the condenser. We're ABC Austin Service Express. There's the condenser. Here is a new air handler. This is a new one, S models. They're a little shorter. There's the evaporator coil here on the side. And here is the old one in a closet. So there's a furnace. There's the coil inside. You can see that's where the gas line is going to go. Here we have the new things. We have the filter base with the filter, the new flue pipe, and the gas line is somewhere here. And here is here's the old one on the side. We're taking that one off. So there's the old condenser. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, he's getting a 16-seer high efficiency complete gas system. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.